Hello, this is Dave Marshall, and what I'd like to do today is show you how to do orthographic block number 2. So what we're going to need today is a sharp pencil, some orthographic graph paper, and page 19 that shows the drawings 1 through 4. Let's take a closer look here at orthographic block number 2, and let's see what makes it different than a basic orthographic block shape. Let's stand on that red X again and look at the front view. Do you see like a C shape laying down there on its back? We could also say that that rectangle in the front looks like it's got a little square cut out of the middle of it. That's what we're going to need to draw on our front view. Now let's go fly over it again with our drone and look down at it from the top view. And let's see what we see. I'm seeing 3 different rectangular shapes. That's what we'll need to draw on our top view. Now let's move over and look at the side view. Let's pretend again we're standing on the number 2 and looking at the side of the block. What do we see? I just see a rectangle. But we have to be careful here because there's a hidden line or a hidden feature in shape 2. I'll point to it now with a blue arrow. We're going to represent this hidden feature with a hidden line. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Okay, let's start orthographic block number 2. Remember we said there was that C-shaped kind of pattern in the front view? Well, if I look, I'm going to count over from the left 8 squares, 2 inches, and then I'm going to come down 1 inch, 4 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to draw the line. This is the start of that C shape or that cutout they have in the top that shows in the front view. Now I'm going to count over 8 squares because it's 2 inches across. Going to draw my line in there, and remember this is a construction line, one that's light, thin, and erasable. And then I'm just going to connect it back up to the top. And see the kind of C shape we have there, or that little cutout in the middle? At this point, I'm going to project those intersection points up to my top view. Going to now slide over, and I'm going to grab the other point and project that point up to the top view. I want to make sure my projection lines follow the line on the graph paper, so I'm being really precise here as I make these projection lines up. If you look at the top view, see how it's broken into 3 rectangles? Just like we thought when we looked at it from our drone. So now I'm going to go project the intersection point over to the side view, and really what this is doing, and this is making a hidden line, a dashed line that shows a hidden feature in the back. That little dashed line showing the cutout in the back. So now I'm going to go up to my top view and draw in those construction lines. So I'm making those 3 rectangular shapes in the top view. I don't need to do any measurement here because I did all the measurement in my front view. The left rectangle is 2 inches, the middle rectangle is 2 inches, and the far rectangle to the right is 1 inch. Now I'm erasing the lines that I don't need. So my front view is just going to look like that kind of C shape laying on its back. And my drawing is done. If I look at my right view, see that dashed line? That dashed line in my side view, that represents the little cutout that we can see in the front view. That's called a hidden line. At this point, I'm going over it with my marker. You're going to use a pencil, don't use a marker here, and I'm going to make my object lines. Congratulations, you just finished orthographic block number 2 and it looks good.